Moniteau County man accused of shaking and killing his infant son appears in court for the first time. Christopher Buxton is charged with murder in the July death of his 2.5-month-old who died from non-accidental injuries consistent with shaken baby syndrome. ABC 17's Sarah Massler-Donar was at today's arraignment, and joined us in our newsroom. And Sarah, Buxton is due back in court next week.
He is, Joey. Next Tuesday morning, Buxton will appear before Judge Peggy Richardson for a bond hearing.
Christopher Buxton was the last Moniteau County inmate to appear in court today. Judge Peggy Richardson read him his charges: second-degree murder and the death of his infant son. The baby died at MU's Women's and Children's Hospital on July 30th, 2 days after Buxton called his wife, saying the baby was unresponsive and looked like he was having a seizure. In court today, prosecuting attorney Shayne Healea expressed concern about Buxton being a flight risk should he post bond, since Buxton moved here from Oklahoma in 2013 and still has family there. The judge delayed a decision on the bond until next week so that they could give notice to, quote, the victim and the victim's family. Buxton's brother-in-law and sister-in-law were in the courtroom today, but the prosecuting attorney tells me they were not there in support of Buxton.
I've also been checking into whether a Columbia pediatrician involved in this case will be charged. Court records showed that Dr. Laura White allegedly knew the baby's injuries were not accidental in early July when she saw a picture of a bruise on the child's back. The court documents say she helped the mother avoid an investigation. Now, I'm told she can't be charged in Moniteau County. That's from the Moniteau County prosecuting attorney. But Boone County prosecutor Dan Knight tells me that while he can't specifically comment on this case, generally speaking, a doctor who does not report any kind of child abuse, should they suspect it, is subject to charges and could face a Class A misdemeanor charge. Reporting in the newsroom, Sarah Massler-Donar, ABC 17 News.
Thank you, Sarah. Buxton's preliminary hearing is set for October 4th.